Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the most important video of this program. In this video, we're going to talk about pre-sale pages, and I'm going to actually build the pre-sale page in front of you. So guys, I want to say something really important before we start this video. This is the most important video of this program. I want you to pay attention to everything I say, pay attention to everything I do, because the pre-sale page that you build for the product that you're promoting is the most important thing that you're going to do for your campaign. Okay, so if you don't do this right, if you mess this up, there's a chance that you're not going to make any money. So it's important for you to get this right, and this is something that in future modules I'm going to talk about, like different ways to test, different pre-sale pages and all that stuff. So again, we're going to start building it, so that we're getting into important stuff, so pay attention and take notes if you have to. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start with some basic stuff, and then we're going to start building this. So now the first thing I'm going to talk about, let me actually show you. The first thing I'm going to talk about is, obviously, we're going to build the pre-sale page using lead pages. So the first thing I'm going to talk about before we actually start is that you need to create a couple of different pre-sale pages, but for this particular product, we're gonna talk about video pre-sale page. Now let me explain a couple of styles, a couple different ways that you can create pre-sale pages. So the first type that I'm going to show you, this is an example. Let me actually bring this back. There you go. So this is an example of it. This is a PDF pre-sale page. Basically, what happens is that after someone enters their name and email, they're gonna go to this page. They're gonna be redirected to this page, and they're gonna be able to download the PDF, ebook, whatever we offer them at the sign up page. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second style is a video pre-sale. Now this is the most popular one, and this is the best one, and this is something I recommend you to try, and I'm going to actually explain how you can get these videos and all of that stuff. So this is the most powerful way to do it, and this is the best way to do it. So that's really important. So these are two different pre-sale pages. Now let me explain something really important when it comes to pre-sale pages. When it comes to creating a pre-sale page, if you remember the funnel I talked about in the first video of this module, if you don't remember, go to that video and watch that funnel, memorize it, draw it somewhere so you remember how that funnel works. So about that funnel, I want to explain that when it comes to creating these pre-sale pages, something you need to understand is that we build these pre-sale pages with what we got. Okay, so sometimes we're promoting a product that gives us a lot of good stuff. Remember in module 1 I talked about choosing a product that gives you a lot of good tools. So sometimes we're promoting a product that gives us a lot of good stuff. It gives us a lot of tools that we can use in our pre-sale pages. For example, there was this product I used to promote. I think I still promote it. It was this weight loss product. I think it was called three-week diet something. So this product had an amazing affiliate backend. So basically they were giving us like affiliates. They were giving us like testimonial videos, reports on all this stuff. So the point I'm trying to make is that you have to create your pre-sale page based on whatever you've got. Okay, so in this case, let me show you this. In this case, we are promoting this, right? This dating product for women. So something I noticed was that they actually give you a custom PDF report. So we can use this, and so we can create a page like this, and we can have people put their name and email to download this PDF report. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. And the second way is, if you want to do videos like this, and this is something I would love to do, you use a website called Presell, Master Resell Rights. Now let me explain about this website. So let me actually go back here. So the product I'm promoting in this case, it's not giving us any reviews, right? It's not giving us any like video reviews or stuff like that. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to get people, from your opt-in page to your pre-sale page. In that pre-sale page, you need to provide value. That's the basic of it, right? That's everything. That's something you always do in every single funnel. So you send people from opt-in page to the pre-sale page, and in pre-sale page you provide value. Now the value either is an ebook, a good report, or it can be a pre-sale video. You talk about the problem and then you bring up this product, or it can be a training. Now if you want to get that training, if you want to go that way, you can use this website, Master Resell Rights. Now let me explain what you do. So I'm going to create a couple of different pre-sale pages. So based on what we got, again, based on what we got, so we have a good PDF report. So let me actually get this one, the secret to understand man attraction triggers. Okay, so let's get this one. I'm gonna push on BGR. So the tracking ID now, this tracking ID is basically, it's like something that you add to the link that tells you exactly where did you get that sale from. So I'm just gonna put ebook. Let's do this. Okay, so now I think they give us there you go. So they give us a ebook that we can use, and there you go. My ClickBank link is here. There you go. Okay, so let me save this. There you go. So that's the first thing I can use, right? This report that I can use. So that's that. Let's just make sure the links are perfect and right in it. So links again. There you go. Link. There you go. So yeah. Perfect. Yeah. So links are good. So that's one. Again, guys, for this case, I'm creating a couple of different pre-sale pages. So I explain exactly, so you can get a good idea. So now, in module number like 5 or 6, maybe, I'm not sure exactly what module, but as we move forward, I'm going to talk about A/B testing. A/B testing between different landing pages, testing between different pre-sale pages. So that's why we're creating multiple pre-sale pages in this video, so we can use them in future. Okay, so let's get started with the pre-sale. And the first pre-sale I'm going to create is something like this. Okay, now the second one is going to be something like a training. Now that's why this is where we go back to masterresellrights.com. I'm going to leave a link to this website under this video so you can check it out. So basically what's happening is that on this website we're going to be able to buy ebooks. So let's say we were selling a product about weight loss, right? So let's say we're doing that. And in order for us to get people to sign up to our list, give us their name and email, we need to create we need to give away something, right? So what we do is we use this website, masterresellrights.com, to get content. We can get videos. There's a ton of good videos, and you can use these videos as your own videos. So you basically buy the rights to these products, courses, and all of that stuff, and they're super cheap. So let's find something related to relationship. So let's dating. Let's see if we can find anything. Personal. We're gonna go with the category relationships. So this particular product is about for women attracting men. So let's see if we can find something for women. So yeah, again, we're just trying to see if we can find anything that we can use. Dating for men. Alright, so let's see, getting your guy. So that's something. So this is interesting. Let's see what we got. So this is a PDF file. It doesn't have any videos. So that's a PDF file. We already have a PDF file, so it's not really useful to us. Let's see, another PDF file. Again, another PDF file. So no videos really here. No videos. Okay. So that's, yeah, so again, guys, we're just gonna make it work with what we got. So I'm gonna create this pre-sale page using what we got, which is the PDF file that we downloaded from the website, their own website. But I'm gonna actually create another pre-sale page for another product, so you can see an example of working with Master Resale Rights website. So I'm gonna do that in next video. So again, let's just go with what we got here. So let's close these. So there you go. So let's create the pre-sale page. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to lead pages. You want to click on create new. And let's find the right template. So when you click on create new, it's going to give you a bunch of templates. So let's find a kind of a download template. Let's see. Let's actually search for it. You can search actually using this bar up there. Wasn't really helpful. Search for a thank you page. I think that's the one we're looking for. There you go. So we can use this actually. So click on use, and it's going to take you to the page where you can edit the page. Okay. So let's name it. What was the website? His Secret Obsession. There you go. Thank you. There you go. So you're gonna click on start building, and you're gonna start building the page, and the rest is really simple. Obviously I'm gonna do it right in front of you so you can see it, but it's really simple. So let's see if we can find banners here. Again, guys, as you see, what's happening is that I'm making it work with what I've got. So it's really important. You got to understand this. This can be different in every product. That's why I'm going to do another video on creating another sales page, okay? I mean pre-sale page. So let's go to the product images. I'm trying to use this product images I'm trying to put it like right here as a logo. Let's see. Not that. Banners. Let's see. All right, so okay. So I'll take this. So I'm going to save this one. I'm not gonna use the logo because they're not giving me a logo, so I'm just gonna delete it, and that's how you delete it, by the way. Okay, so let's say that's good. Thank you. You're all set. Let's change this to you can click the link below to download your free report. Okay, so let's go to where. So now what I need to do is I need to upload my report somewhere so I can, give them a link. Another thing I want to do is, if you remember, guys, I downloaded this picture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this under this, like under this button, because one of the thing is the thank you page or the pre-sale page is like one of the best places to send people directly to the product, to send people directly to the website. So here's how you do it. So let's go to Dropbox. That's where I download. That's where I upload my files. You can use Google Drive, you can use Dropbox, whatever works for you. Okay. So yeah, let's go to just so let's upload this file here. There you go. So I'm going to click on share. Let's create a link. Copy, there you go. So let's go back here. I'm going to click here to download your free report. Okay, now in order to change the link, you click on this icon, the link icon, and click on external URL and put your Dropbox link, okay? And change the deal to 1, that way, it downloads it to people's computer. So that's that. Let's add the picture. Now, in order to add the picture, in this case, I have a banner, right? If you remember, I downloaded this banner. So I'm going to drag this picture down here, put it right below this, and choose the picture. I'm going to click on upload and select image, and I'm going to upload it, okay? So upload this here, and let's go to ClickBank and get our affiliate link too. That's important. Alright, let's make sure we open the right account. So this is the brand new account that we just created, right? So let's go to the marketplace. Not that. There you go. So that's the product. If I'm wrong, there we go. That's the product. So let's get our link. I'm gonna pull Presell. Now, I think I didn't explain about tracking IDs. So a tracking ID is basically an ID, like something, an indicator that you add to the end of your link. That basically, if you make a sale from that link, you know where that sale is coming from. For example, in this case, I put a pre-sale at a pre-sale for the tracking ID. It means that if I get a sale from this specific link, I know that it's coming from the pre-sale page. If you remember, when I was creating the ebook, I put an ebook as a tracking ID. It means that, if I get a sale from that link, I know that it's coming from the ebook. So that's really important. I think it helps a lot for you. It helps a lot to track where you're getting your sales from, which is really important. You need to know where you're getting your sales from. So that's there. Let's copy the link. I'm gonna go back to lead pages. Let's insert this photo. And what we're going to do after we insert the photo, we're going to click on the link, same thing as before. I'm going to put the link actually here, a new page. There you go. So that is our pre-sale page, guys. Really simple. Now this is a simple example of it. And next video, I'm gonna create a complicated version of this too. Hold on, let's take a look at it. So as you see, this is the pre-sale page. This is the page people are gonna see after they put their name and email. Okay, so again, there's the download. There's the link to. So let's make a couple of other changes. It's not finished yet. So for example, another thing I want to do is, first of all, I'm going to do this. Let's delete this. Okay. Next thing, let's give it a title. So that's how you give it a title, guys. And you click on this page tracking icon here, and you change the page title. So I'm just going to call this download your free report. There you go. So yeah, again, nothing called, and also you can change everything on this page. For example, I can change the color and all of that stuff. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. I like the color. It's, you know, it's nice. So let's update it, and there you go. This is our pre-sale page for this product. Perfect. I'm going to save this somewhere because we're going to use it in future. And when you create your own pre-sale page, make sure you save the URL somewhere because we're going to use it. Okay, so guys, I'm not done with pre-sale pages. In the next video, I'm going to create another pre-sale page. Unfortunately, I cannot find any content for this particular product, and as I said before, it's important to, you know, just work with whatever you've got. Okay, so you need to work with whatever you've got. In this case, I'm trying to work with whatever I've got, but I cannot find any content to create the other type of pre-sale page that I want to create. So because of this, I'm gonna just create a pre-sale page for another product. So the point I'm trying to make it, because I want to show it to you. I want you to see exactly how I create these pages, so you know, so you know the different possibilities and your different strategies and all of that stuff. So in the next video, I'm gonna create another pre-sale page for another product. Using the master reset right, you know, videos, so you see exactly how it's done. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.